Keep your Ercolina Top Benders with touch control calibrated. Learn the simple shaft reset procedure for seamless operation. This is only for Ercolina rotary draw benders with touch controls. First, remove centiformer from hex shaft. Select the settings icon on the home page. Then select the datum. To turn off limit switch, press this toggle. Now you can begin shaft reset using the foot pedals. Visually line up zeros on machine and hex using return and bend. Once you've completed this step, press the reset button. This clears the stored data, resetting the shaft position. We appreciate you watching. Contact us today if you have any questions.